Install the headlights. The lights illuminate a road in the dark. There are also special lights that show the turn direction of the car. When the lights are turned on, other drivers can see the car in the dark. It's a flasher, but its correct name is emergency lighting. Let's install it. Emergency lighting attracts attention and shows other drivers that they must give the way to such a car. And now we need to install a fire pump. The fire pump transports water from the cistern to the fire truck's water cannon. It's a cistern. Let's install it in its place. The cistern is used to transport water on the fire truck. And now we need to install a body. Body is the exterior part of the car, which is attached to the frame. Let's install firefighting equipment. The firefighting equipment is a special set of tools for fires extinguishing. This is a water jet. Install it. This is a device that directs a jet of water onto the fire. We did it! Keep up the good work.